Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by forcing a full shutdown and entering safe mode. This resets the boot context so the system can attempt repairs. Hold the power button until 2 beeps, then release. Once done, connect a controller via USB. Wireless won't register here, and select the safe mode menu when shown. Make sure cables are seated and the TV input is correct so you can see options. Otherwise, you cannot proceed with the repair steps. You now choose the right safe mode option. Start simple and escalate. First, try restart Ps4 to verify the issue persists. If that fails, select Rebuild Database. It reorganizes files and often resolves boot loops without data loss. If Rebuild doesn't work, consider Initialize Ps4 or Initialize Ps4, reinstall system software, as last resorts. These erase data, so make sure you've backed up your save files to cloud or USB before proceeding. This order minimizes data loss while addressing corruption. You finish by reinstalling the system software if Initialize did not restore boot. Download the full Ps4 file on a computer, place it in USB/Ps4/update as Ps4 update. Pup, and run install system software from safe mode. If the console still cannot start, power down and reseat or swap the hard drive. Failed drives are a common cause. Troubleshooting tip. If problems persist after software reinstall, test with a different HDD/SSD before paying for repairs. That isolates hardware from firmware causes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.